Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy feature on Instagram that allows you to take control of your tagged photos. With the new update, you can manually approve tags on your PC, ensuring that only the content you want appears on your profile. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and get ready to manage your tags. Once you're in, look for the More icon located on the left side menu. This icon typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. Click on the More icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Next, navigate to Tags and Mentions. You might need to scroll down a bit to find this option under the section labeled How Others Can Interact with You. Clicking on this will open up more tagging options. Now, look for the option that says Manually Approve Tags. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll see a toggle switch. Enable this feature by clicking the switch so it turns blue or shows that it's activated. Once you've enabled manually approving tags, you'll have full control over who can tag you in their posts. Whenever someone tries to tag you, you'll receive a notification allowing you to review and approve or reject the tag before it appears on your profile. This feature is perfect for maintaining a clean and curated Instagram presence, giving you peace of mind about what content is associated with your account. In summary, by following these simple steps, opening Instagram, accessing settings through the More icon, navigating to Tags and Mentions, and enabling manually approved tags, you can effectively manage your tagging preferences. Enjoy taking control of your Instagram experience.